Yes, Cyrus?
Ma'am, I didn't get the link for Hindi class on third language Hindi.
No, how many of you did not get Hindi?
Ma'am, I didn't get
Now
Hindi.
let me see. 1 minute, Cyrus. Anyone else did not get Hindi link? Anyone who's taking Hindi? Who's taking Hindi? John Matthew, are you taking Hindi?
Ma'am, Mubarak ma'am. Mubarak ma'am.
I'm talking to one person. Let
Excuse
them
me, ma'am.
please. Okay. John, did you get the link?
I got the link, ma'am.
Yes. What about Virti?
Ma'am, I'm Virti's sister.
Yes, tell
She's
me.
not able to join. So she came to Virti house and doing the online mystery.
Children, 3-4 children are speaking. Virti, sister, what happened? Did you get the link? It's not clear, Maya, Mike. Jake, did you get Jake?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, Cyrus, just find out from the office, okay? Because they're telling they got the link. Let's see, okay, Cyrus. What happened?
Ma'am, in third language.
Today's third language, Hindi.
Yes, ma'am.
First
I'm
period.
third language.
1 minute. First period, third language, Hindi. Who got the link? Just tell me. Third language, Hindi. Anyone? Prajan, did you get the link?
Jen got a link, ma'am. Ma'am, I got a link.
Yes, okay, Cyrus, we will check it. Okay, everybody got it. Okay, now come back to maths. Cyrus, I will just see, okay? Okay, Cyrus. Now, good morning to all. Okay, please take 138 page number now. No more talking now. 138, just observe. One important thing you have to notice is, I'll tell you. What happened? Why is it like this?
Ma'am?
1 minute, don't. F5. What happened? Okay. Children, 1 minute. Who's that? Who called me?
Ma'am, I'm Mishti, ma'am.
Yes, Mishti?
Ma'am, in my phone, ma'am, it's not available to join, ma'am.
What happened? Okay.
So that's why I'm with Virti, ma'am.
Okay, never mind. Okay, good, Mishti. Now it's clear. Now, when you see about the pattern and when we write pattern for the numbers, there is something very, very important. Because when you have pictures, when you have all the shapes like triangle, rectangle, circle, we will repeat again. Triangle, rectangle, circle, triangle, rectangle. But when it comes to the pattern for numbers, please make it clear. We will never repeat. We'll continue the series. Okay. Now, just look at the screen. 10, 20, 30, 40. What is the next number? 1 minute, don't say. Tridip, can you tell me the next number? 10, 20, 30, 40. Tell me the next number, Tridip. Not there. Arush, can you tell me, Arush? Arush.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell me the next number? 10, 20, 30, 40. I told you, we will not repeat. We will continue the series. If it's counting in tens, we'll continue as counting in tens. Can you tell me the next number after 40?
50, ma'am.
Yes. Children, keep in your mind. After 50, what is the next number, Arush?
60.
Yes, this is counting in tens. Children, all of you take note of this. You cannot repeat 10, 20, 30, 40. 10, 20, 30, 40. When it comes to numbers, any number, you have to continue the same pattern. This is counting in tens. Let me close the. Now exam is going on, children, that's why. Now 1 minute. Arush, next number.
70.
Very good. Next number.
80.
Good. Children, please do it. And I want Jake to tell me the next one. Jake, just see. 4. Jake, Bobby. Yes. Next one is, just see Jake. 4, 8, 12, 16. Counting in 4s. Or you can say the table of 4. Now what is the next number?
20.
After 16.
20.
Very good. After that.
24.
Good. Next.
28.
Yes, next.
32.
Yeah. Now we are learning counting in 4s as well as the table of 4. 1 4 is 4, 2 4s are 8, 3 4s are. Somebody is disturbing me. Who's that disturbing? Children, please write neatly. Be good. Okay. Yes. Again. What is happening here? 1 minute, children. You don't play, children, please. Yeah. You don't do anything on the switches and all that. You just observe, okay? Next one. Jonathan Paul. This is like adding. Come on.
Yes,
Jonathan. Now, 1. After 1, next number is 6. So you skip counting in what? 1. After 1, you are counting 5. 5. So you are
11.
1 minute. 6 plus 5, 11. 11 plus 5, 16. Add 5 to 16. 21. Good. 5. Same. After
26.
26. After 26.
31.
After 26. 30.
1.
Good. After 31.
36.
Very good. Now children, this is the way you have to write. It may not be the table. See, this is not the table of 5. You are adding it. Now next one is for Kabir. Kabir, can you tell me, Kabir?
Yes, ma'am.
4. It's very easy. When you just look at it, at the numbers, you will know the pattern. 4, 14, 24, 34. What is the next number?
34.
Next.
54.
Good. Next.
64.
Very good. Next.
54.
Please, children, write neatly in your textbook. Very good, Kabir. Now, I want Mishti. Can you tell me, Mishti, the next one? 11, 22, 33. No need to add anything. Just look at the figures and say 11, 22, 33, 44. Next. Next. Mishti.
55, ma'am.
Very good, Mishti. Next.
66, ma'am.
Good. Next.
77. 88.
Very good. Children, those who don't know how to write, please complete this. And after that, you have to go through the full page. Okay. Now, next one. Pritika, not Pritika. Shama. Shama, are you there, Shama? Shama. Shaina. Can you help me out? Shaina. Abisha. What happened? Akshita MP. Artrika. Aratrika. Yes, Aratrika. What happened? Nobody's there. Jemima. I will help you, children. Jemima.
Ma'am, can I say?
Who's this?
Ma'am, Jemima is here.
Jemima, good Jemima. How are you?
Ma'am,
How are you? Okay. Is it Jemima?
No, ma'am, Sai Vasavi.
Sai, I didn't call you, but still okay. Where's Jemima didn't come? Okay, Sai, can you tell the last one, Sai?
Okay, ma'am.
8, 18, 28, 38. Next number.
48.
Very good. After 48.
58.
Good.
58.
Next.
78.
Yes.
88.
Okay. 78. Very good. Now that's done. Now we can go to the next page. Children, please let me show you the next one. Mendel Maths Corner. This you have to see. Study each pattern and circle the shape that doesn't fit the pattern. Each one you check. Now take the first one. See here. You have to circle when it's wrong. Okay. You study nicely. Then I will ask you. Don't say, listen, why these answers come? Okay, let it be. Now, only that, okay. Okay, study each pattern and circle the shape. You can do it by yourself. Alan, I need your help. Now just, Alan, do with me. First one, see here, it's vertical. And we will tell standing line. Sleeping.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, up. Sleeping. Then down. Then this side. You just observe. Up. Again this side the arrow. Then coming down this one. This is a pattern. First one. Now Alan. Only Alan is talking. Wait, Alan. Now next one you must start up again.
Yes, ma'am.
Next one sleeping should be there. So is it right this one?
No, ma'am.
Yeah. So you have to circle that. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Alan. Children, all of you observe like 1, 2, 3, 4. This is one pattern because they are starting one again. 1. But the 2 is not the right one. Instead of sleeping, they just put the arrow down. Then they did it. So these 2. So this is wrong. Clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now wait. Now, next one, Effie, just go through the pattern. Next one, it's divided into 2, again divided into 2, divided into 4, again, see here, tell me, Effie, are you there? Effie?
Yes, ma'am. I'm here, ma'am.
Now tell me the number, 1, 2, 3. This is the pattern. Again 1, 2, 3. Is it right, Effie?
No, ma'am.
Yes. So which one is wrong in this line? Tell me the number. 1, 2, 3. Which one? 1,
First one.
2. Listen. 1, 2, 3. Again, the first one is right or wrong?
Wrong, ma'am.
Yeah, because it has to come vertically, not sleeping, not horizontal line. Okay, it should be this one. First one here. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Again, you must write 1, you must draw. So when it comes to the pictures, you have to repeat. You have to look into it and repeat. Okay. Now, let me see whether you are doing it correctly. Please do it correctly. Yes. Have you done this, Jane? Yes?
No, ma'am.
Why? I'm waiting for you. Please complete the full page. Only this you do it. Have you done?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Please do it. Then only I can go to the next one. John, show your book, please. John, show me your textbook, how you have done. Show me. John. Yes. John, lift your textbook and show me. I cannot see. Yeah. Now listen. Next on, Joshika, sit properly. Next onwards, Rahil, sit properly. Good boy. Next one, you have to listen carefully. Okay. Jane, what happened, Jane? You didn't understand. When it comes to pattern, you have to check. What happened, Jane?
I know, ma'am.
It's all right. Can you do it?
Oh, yes, ma'am.
Okay, if you don't know, you must ask me because pattern is little bit confusing for you all to see all the pictures together. Joshika, be good. Okay, now let's go to the next one. Now see this one we finished. Next one. Why ma'am wrote the answers? Because you must not make mistake. Okay. Now look here. This is A5. Second one, B10. It's multiplication table of 5 or counting in fives. C15. D20. So first you have to write the alphabets. E, F, G. You write E, F, G. First you write the alphabets correctly. Then we will write the numbers. That will be easy. Don't say A5, B10 like that. First you write A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Then 5, 10, 15, 20. Now you know how to write 25, 30, 35. Don't copy anything. I will explain to you, then you write. Then you write. I will explain. You have to only fill in E, F, G, these letters first. Then 25, 30, 35. Now the next one. We can use any other letter or any other number, but not like this. That's what ma'am is teaching you now, how to write it. Okay, because if I ask one by one, each one will be confused. Now see here, from last year, A, first two letters, first letter twice, in the middle last alphabet. Same thing, you must know these patterns. B, Y, I'll tell you, C, C, X, D, D, W. Now children, just look at the alphabets. A, B, C, D. Same way you write E, F, G. Don't worry about anything else. Just write E, F, G. Now, in the middle, they have started like backward, from backward. Z. See here, W, X, Y, Z. Just before W, what will be which letter comes before W? V, U, T. So you have to start from A, B, C, D, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So count from backward. Write the letter. Just before W is B. Already you have written E, F, G. Children, you have to pay attention and you have to be fully into this class. You cannot ask anybody's help. This is set for your mind. Okay. First you write E, F, G. Then you write B, just before V, U, just before U, T. So count from your T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, now you come to the next one. Another way of writing the pattern. One day I'll make you all write your own pattern and make something out of it, like some interesting picture you have to draw. I'll tell you later. Now you just see here. A, B, C. Now count from the second one. B, C, D. Count from the last one. C, D, E. Then the next letter is D, E, F. So one by one you are adding A, B, C, B, C, D. Then you are starting C, D, E, D, E, F. Now the next one will be, yes. Effie, can you tell me the next one? How did you do the next one? After D, D, E, F. Now, which letter you have to write after D, E, F? Which letter? Which letter you have to start?
E, F,
G.
E, ma'am.
Very good. E, F, G. What will you write the next one? F.
F, D, H.
Yeah. Not that you have to copy, you have to understand and write. After F, G, H, which one will you write? G.
G, H, I.
Yeah. Did you understand what is it? How to write? Yes, very good. Now we are coming to the last one. Last one. I want Ansh, John, Ansh. Ansh.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Just look at A, C. A, same way. You just write A, B, C, D, E, F, G. You finish writing A, B, C, D, F, G. Now, next one. C, D, E, F, A, B, C, D, E, F. What will be the next letter after F? A, B, C, D, E, F.
Ma'am, G.
G. After
G, ma'am.
After G,
H.
H. After H, I. So don't be going on looking at all these letters. Good, Ansh. You have to see the pattern. A, E, E, D. Turn off your mic, Ansh. E, F, G. Then the next row. C, D, that is A, B, C, D. E, F, G, H, I. So pattern should be right. Okay, good children. Now let me see all. Yes. Anyone without understanding how to do it? Have you done this? Is it Sachin? Yes, Sachin. Have you written all the numbers? All the letters? Yes, this is about the alphabets, not numbers. Okay, very good. Now we'll go to the next one and see. It's only like interesting thing. Okay. Sanvi, how are you? Are you able to do it? Sanvi,
Yes, ma'am.
are you able to do it? Okay. Now, let's go to the next one. See, this is not We are going to start with one number. I will tell you, and each one's answer will be different. Each one's answer will be different. Now, starting from any number in the first row, it's not necessary for you to start from 1. Okay, you can start any number from 1 to 10. That's up to you. And whatever number you are starting, you must count 7th box and color it. I will tell you. Now, I am going to start with 5. You can start with any number, children. You just start. I am not going to color it, but you have to color it. I color it with light shade. I'm going to start with 5. You can start with 1. If I start with 5, 7th box I have to do again. So I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Which is my 7th box? Which number?
12.
According to me. So I have to color that. If I take 5, I have to color 12. Now, 1 second. Cyrus, you are taking 2. After 2, you count 7 boxes and tell me the number after 2. Cyrus? Cyrus? Yes? Not there. What happened, Cyrus? Okay. Alan, just one example, Alan. Imagine that you're taking 2. Imagine that you're taking 2. Okay, 2. Count,
Yes, ma'am.
count 7 numbers from 2.
Yes, ma'am.
Count.
1,
No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What is the 7th number?
9, ma'am.
So when you start with 2, you count 7 numbers and the 7th box you have to color. Each one can take any number from 1 to 10. Yes, start doing it, children. You can take your own number.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, please do it. Now, next one. Alvin. Alvin, which number are you going to take?
11.
11 you can't take. Only within the first row. Only within any number in the first row. 1 to 10.
20, ma'am.
Which one?
20.
20.
Yes, ma'am.
Listen, what I am speaking to you is, you choose any number from 1 to 10.
Okay, ma'am.
Choose.
9, ma'am.
9. So your number is 9. What will be your second number? Count 7 and tell me. After 9, you color 9 first. 9. N-I-N-E, 9. Just write, sorry, just color that with light shade. Count 7 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What is your second number?
4, ma'am.
Alvin, please don't do like auction, ma. You said you are taking 9. Count 7 numbers from 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What is your second number here?
16.
16. Again you count 9 like that. Okay. 7. Whatever number you take from first row, you count 7 numbers and write. Now I need Dhruv.
Yes, ma'am.
I chose 5. What did you choose?
Ma'am, 4.
4. Okay, now you just tell me what did you get the second number after counting 7 for you? After 4, which number?
11.
11. Okay, good. You continue doing till 100. Now,
Okay, ma'am.
okay, good. Sanvi.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am chose 5 and ma'am got 12. Now, what will be ma'am's next number after 12, counting 7? Tell me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Which
9.
What is
Nine.
it? 19. Yes. You do yours, ma'am will do mine. 19 plus 7, you get 26. 26 plus 7, you get 33. 33 plus 7.
I'm finished.
Yeah, very good. You can do. But don't do with me because your number will be different. 47, 54, 60.
I'm finished.
Children, don't say finish. Others are doing, please. 75, 82, 89, 96. Now down, the number pattern obtained is, must write 5. See, this is the number pattern for me. All the colored numbers, 5, 12, 19, 26, you have to write like this. Understood, children? Now, ma'am got these numbers within 100. So you must check yours. Let me see. You can do it slowly, neatly. Okay. Yes, children. It's now, Jasil, what are you doing there? Now, time up. You can continue it afterwards. Okay.